Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be focusing on one of the most important operations in linear algebra, matrix multiplication. If you've been following along, we've covered the definition of a matrix, types of matrices, matrix addition, matrix subtraction, and scalar multiplication. Now, let's dive deep into multiplying matrices.
Matrix multiplication is a bit different from addition or scalar multiplication. It's not just about adding elements together. Instead, it involves a process of combining rows from one matrix with columns from another. But before we jump into that, there's a key rule we need to remember. Matrix multiplication can only happen if the number of columns in the first matrix matches the number of rows in the second. If matrix A is an M by N matrix, matrix B must be an N by P matrix to multiply them together. The resulting matrix will have dimensions M by P. All right, now, let's see how to multiply two matrices step by step. Suppose we have matrix A and B as follows. To multiply these two matrices, we follow these steps. 1. Multiply each element in the first row of A by each corresponding element in the first column of B. 2. Add these products to get the first element of the resulting matrix. 3. Repeat this process for each row of A and each column of B. Now we will apply the steps to calculate A times B. Let's calculate the first element. 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7 equals 5 plus 14 equals 19. The second element is 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8 equals 6 plus 16 equals 22. Continuing this process for the rest of the elements, we get the following matrix. This is the result of multiplying matrix A by matrix B. There are a few important properties of matrix multiplication that you should keep in mind. Commutativity. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. This means that in general, A times B is not equal to B times A. In other words, the order of multiplication matters, so always pay attention to the sequence of matrices. Here's an example. 2. Associativity. Matrix multiplication is associative, meaning A times B times C equals A times B times C. This property allows us to group matrices however we like during multiplication, which can be very useful in computations. Here is an example. 3. Distributivity. Matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition, so A times open parenthesis, B plus C close parenthesis equals A times B plus A times C. Confirm this property using the matrices from the previous example. Matrix multiplication has some special cases that are worth mentioning. First, multiplying any matrix by the identity matrix doesn't change the matrix. This means A times I equals A, where I is the identity matrix. Second, multiplying any matrix by a zero matrix results in a zero matrix. Thus, A times O equals O. Confirm these properties using this example.
That wraps up our video on matrix multiplication. It's an essential concept to understand, and practicing it will help you get more comfortable with working with matrices. Try out some problems in the description, and don't forget to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. In our next video, we'll cover the special types of matrices like diagonal and nilpotent matrices. Stay tuned.